All right, friends. Now let us learn the next concept, which is on yield. Friends, as I told you earlier, KE is whose expectation? It is equity holders' expectation. What about KD? KD is nothing but it is the debt holders' expectation. Then we learned that WACC is nothing but it is the overall investor's expectation. KP is nothing but it is the preference shareholders expectation. Just like that, a bondholder's expectation is what we call it as yield. Okay, so as I told earlier also, in the long run, discount factor is equal to IRR. In the long run, KE will turn out to be the IRR. In the long run, KD will become the IRR. In the long run, WACC will become the IRR. Exactly in the same way, in the long run, even yield will turn out to be the IRR, or yield will be the discounting factor at which your NPV actually becomes 0. Okay, friends, now when I talk about yield, there are multiple types of yield. So I'll just give you that right now, and we will learn this in each one in separate videos. Okay, now for example, I told you there are 3 types of bonds. What are the 3 types of bond? You have regular bonds, you are having zero coupon bond, and then we have something called as perpetual bonds, correct? So in case of regular bond, we actually find out 2 things. One is YTM without considering time value of money. TVM is time value of money. And the other one is YTM after considering time value of money. Okay, these 2 are the methods that we use to find out the yield of a regular bond. When we go to a zero coupon bond, here we learn 2 things. One is what we call it as bond equivalent yield, and the second one is what we call it as effective annual return. These are the 2 things coming for zero coupon bond. Right? In case of perpetual bond, all right, here we will find out the yield using a method called as current yield. So friends, ideally we'll have to learn 5 different types of yield. YTM without considering time value of money, YTM after considering time value of money, bond equivalent yield, effective annual return, current yield. But friends, all of these are nothing but all of these in the long run will be equal to the IRR. I hope you're clear with this part, friends. Now in the next video, I'll explain to you about regular bonds. Okay, how we will do it for regular bond, and then slowly we'll go to zero coupon, perpetual bond, etc. Thank you so much, friends.